I'm Georgie.
Hi, I'm Luke.
No, I'm Kai. We do level 3 media year 2.
Well, this course isn't merely for achieving academics. You're actually learning a trade here, and the industry is just ever evolving. You know, they're always bringing in new technology, new software, etc. So when you have an opportunity to work with state-of-the-art equipment, new equipment, you're actually getting a practical insight on what you may be required to do in the field.
The piece of equipment I'm most excited to use is definitely the Blackmagic cameras. I'm looking forward to working with those, especially since they have a high level of skill required that I could carry on into when I go into the industry.
Having equipment now makes it easier to use if you do manage to get into the industry, because you already know it, you're already experienced with everything, with the buttons and all the dials and everything, so it's going to be easy to translate it into real world experience.
Yeah, I do definitely think that the new equipment will allow us to do some more creative ideas, as possibly allow us to develop on our already pre-existing ideas or develop new techniques which require the equipment to be used.